does it all start? Sometimes here, with an acid stomach, or here, with tense, upset digestive nerves. It may even reach here, with that fuzzy, achy feeling in the head. Soon you seem to feel sick all over. It's the acid, tension, pain, trouble triangle.
Please pay attention to this message. There is countless reports of sightings of Tartarus. It has become apparent that Tartarus is coming to strike again. He is currently making weather patterns very unstable. Be prepared to seek an underground shelter within the next 2 hours as the blood moon unfolds. After the blood moon rises, do not go outside for any reason. You will die in a very brutal and gruesome way. Should you have not listened to any of these instructions, you will await a certain slow and painful death. Droplets of your blood, sweat, and tears will be exploding everywhere. If you see a person that is staring at the blood moon, hide immediately. They cannot be saved and they no longer exist. Their souls have left their body and they will rot in the abyss of hell. If you are outside, go indoors within 25 minutes. If you are not inside your home within 25 minutes, you will die in a gruesome way as seen by Tartarus. Stay tuned to local outlets for further updates of this highly dangerous event.
Please listen to the contents of this message. Tartarus has officially hit 20 million in cases. Everyone that was not in their shelter has died very brutally. However, the people in their shelter survived. So it is speculated that you should shelter in place and make absolutely zero noise. Move as little as possible to not make any noise at all. If you come in contact with Tartarus, you cannot be saved. You will have an inevitable gruesome death that is very slow and painful. Right now, the entirety of the United States is covered in droplets of blood due to the explosions, have residents' bodies swelling and even getting to the point where their skin becomes so thin that it causes a very large and loud explosion. If you want to do something that requires sound being played, wear headphones that cannot be heard when not weared. Tartarus is almost considered impossible to defeat, so be aware that the US military has surrendered to fight this beast. 911 calls will also shut down. So don't even bother calling 911. It will be just a waste of your time. Stay tuned for more updates on this highly dangerous event.
The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has found some very disturbing information to share to all of the residents across the United States. Around 11 solar flares have been found to be on a direct collision course with Earth. These solar-generated fire fuel are expected to hit Earth within the next 20 hours. This could potentially end the world as we know it. Do not panic. NASA could develop some solar shades to deflect the solar flares from striking Earth. Most importantly, do not panic at even the slightest.
The following contains very disturbing information. Do not let your children hear this message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Tartarus has officially reached his max potential and has reached phase 4 of his demonic rituals. The outdoor environment has been cursed. Everyone that goes outside or opens a door that will lead to the outside world will get brutally tortured in a variety of different ways all at once. Some people have also been speculating that looking at the moon will disalign your body. Some had also lost their control of all of their body parts. Some have formed stab marks all across their body for no reason. Some have also been flung out of the earth and slammed back on the ground at a minimum of 170 miles per hour, and then their body exploded everywhere due to the intense force of the impact. The only safe place to be in right now is in a room that does not expose you to the outside world, and bring a battery-powered radio with you. If this is not possible, you will die in a slow and excruciatingly painful way. You are also strongly advised to not let children know about this and just bring them with you and tell them that this is a game, to not make them panic and make noises alerting that they are terrified. Removing noises is paramount. Tartarus can hear noises from inside homes that is as quiet as 15 decibels. Stay tuned to your local radio station for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following contains disturbing information. Do not let children know about this message. Just tell any child to think about the good times of their life. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States federal government. The end of the world is near. Tartarus is currently trying to destroy the sun and is approximately 80% done. It will be fully complete within the next 25 minutes. It has also been found that sheltering in place is not effective at all, even at the slightest. Tartarus has a human tracker and is snatching people out of their homes and brutally killing people. All the oceans in the world has turned into blood, and a tsunami of blood has struck the state of Washington. Everybody that has come in contact of the tsunami of blood has third-degree burns across their entire body. Around 1.3 billion people have died, which is more than a third of the world population. Gather all your loved ones and brace for the end. There is unfortunately nothing we can do to stop this
highly dangerous and horrifying event.